Let's just forget the fact that Tinubu is a bad leader. Let's just forget that fact that Tinubu is a bad leader. But the truth about all this that I just want to state out is that the current state that Nigeria is in right now is a state that 4 years or 8 years will not save Nigeria. The current state that Nigeria is in right now, 8 years will not save Nigeria. If you check every country around the world that are doing well today, 8 years didn't save them. Even America, after World War II, a leader a leader spent almost 20 years in America. That gave him enough time to restructure and rebuild the country. He spent 4 terms in power. I think his name was Roosevelt. I think Roosevelt. You go to China today, it's the same thing. The leaders that have ruled in China, they all ruled for over 20, 30 years. You go to Japan, the same thing. Go to Russia, the same thing. Go to UK, the same thing. Go to India, the same thing. If you want to build a country that needs building, 4 years doesn't build a country. 8 years can build a country, especially a failed country like Nigeria. If we really want this Nigeria to do better, to be great, we need a good leader that will stay in power for at least 25 to 30 years with constant working. This is the only way the dream of America that we are dreaming for will come true. The dream of other big countries that we are dreaming of, their way of living, the steady water supply, the 24 hours light, the 100% tide rule that we see in other countries that we want in Nigeria. For 4 years of changing government, for 4 years of changing president, for 8 years of changing governor, for 4 years of changing president, it won't save Nigeria. It won't bring that dream to reality. I'm telling you the truth. Check the few countries that are doing well in Africa now. The few countries that are doing well in Africa now. Check them. When you go to Seychelles or Morocco or Egypt or the current Rwanda right now or Mauritius, no leader that spent 8 years was able to build the country. No country, like Ibrahim Traore said, no country has ever been developed under democracy. No country. Democracy doesn't develop any country. Because even if the president have an idea, a country as big as Nigeria, even if you have a big plan,